What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour, and I'll be explaining how I made $11,400 off of Shopify. So usually you don't really see me trade Shopify. Obviously, I stick to the stocks that I know in and out. My 16 stocks that I'm very well informed about and have traded for a very long time. And then sometimes when things get slow, let's just say something on my watch list isn't really moving anymore, hasn't really had any catalyst to see new highs, break supports with volume. I start rotating new stocks in my rotation. And today, well, last night I chose to throw shop in my rotation. Due to shop being a couple dollars away of all-time highs on Friday, which was pretty crazy. Just because Friday wasn't really much of a good day for the market, but Shopify ended up, pushing almost to all-time highs, maybe a dollar or two off of all-time highs by close. And it makes sense that Shopify has been doing well. Excuse me, it's an e-commerce. Amazon's been doing amazing, killing it. Also, Shopify also announced that they've had Black Friday sales, uh, like volume, Black Friday sale volume since the whole coronavirus thing started. So that's pretty insane as far as, it's telling you something. People are shopping online. So the market takes it obviously as a positive thing. Uh, and you see Shopify killing it today. So obviously, live account, you can see my account number up here. Obviously, I'm not going to show my whole, account number, not on demand, home screen, live connected real time data. As you can see, the time moves. And here is the date. So everything here for you. And then SPY, live account, XTO eligible. So, tells you extended hours. And this is my profit for today, $11,400. Just one trade today. As you can see, it took 2 minutes. 9:31 I got filled. 9:31:16 filled at 9:33:39. So about 2 minutes and whatever, 22 seconds, I guess. And as you can see, it was a 22% trade. This is the average I bought for, 29.40, and sold for 37. Could have had a better average, could have sold better, but the problem was Shopify always has a weird spread, meaning the bid and ask is always very far apart, and it's actually very annoying because I'm not used to that, especially trading things like Roku, Tesla, Amazon. Obviously, Tesla and Amazon have big spreads, but nothing compared to Shopify on a regular basis. So Shopify had you know, a big spread, so I didn't want to get caught in it. Obviously, I bought 15 contracts right here, as you can see, for $29.40. So I don't even know how much I put into that. I think around 40 something. So 15 times 29.40. So it looks like 44,000. Let me just make sure. There, yeah, 44,000. So I threw 44,000, I made 11,400. I was actually up 14, 15,000, but the fact that the spread was so big, I got filled probably on the low end. So it's all good. I'm glad I got out that trade. Obviously it kept going, so even if I held, nothing would have happened. So let's look at Shop together. So what happened with Shop today? Look at off the open what it did. I was hoping it didn't do it on the first candle, but the fact that it did, I was like, should I miss out or should I take advantage of this? I was like, yo, let me take advantage, but I'm going to go light today. So I only threw 44,000 into this position. Obviously, not only, I don't mean it like that, but I mean equivalent to average. That was lighter than my average position. So 44,000. Let me get rid of this alert. I don't need it anymore. But let me show you on the bigger scale. So the bigger scale, as you can see, Shopify hit a high February 12th. As you can see the date up here. February 12th, it hit a high of around 591 or 593 actually, 89. So that created a high for the stock. And obviously when you have a high for a stock and, it dips like that, when it comes back to highs and it breaks through that with volume, it shows that buyers are being aggressive on the stock. So what I looked for and made sure that we got on this was a break with volume. So let's look at the first candle of the day. See how it gets stuck at my, the first candle of the day gets rejected by my resistance. The next candle here was almost a, as you can see, it's a very equal candle, right? So you have a little candle in the middle, and then you have a wick evenly, you know, put on each side. So what does that mean? At this very moment, there was very even buying and selling pressure at this very moment, right? People didn't know what to do. Is right at resistance. It's a new high for the stock. Nobody knows what to do, and then buying pressure steps in. So as you can see, the volume right at open, you got 83,000. The next candle 27,000, and this candle 31,000. And the volume kept up 49,000, 35,000, 73,000, and it just kept going up. It ended up ultimately peaking out at this 635 level. I sold at around 616. As you can see on this candle, let's look at this candle together. I think it was 633, 933. So on this candle right here, I thought I had the perfect sell because the next candle just dipped, but it turned into a wick. So it dropped to 605 on the next candle, and then ended up ripping right after that. So I wish I held for maybe 2 more minutes, but you can never get a perfect buy and a perfect sell. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't matter how long you've traded, how professional you are. Perfect buying and selling does not exist, right? So that is why I picked Shop to trade with today. That's exactly why I day traded it. That's exactly why it was on my watch list, because it was at all-time highs. And obviously with the coronavirus, everybody's quarantined. Nobody really has a choice but to shop online. So things like Amazon is flourishing, Netflix is flourishing, just because this is stay-at-home stocks, stay-at-home companies. Netflix, you stay at home, you're only paying $7. What are you going to get rid of first, cable or Netflix? You get what I mean? So Netflix, cheaper alternative to cable. You also got Roku killing it a little bit, killing it a lot actually. Shop, Amazon. What else is stay-at-home stock? I know nothing comes up to mind right now, but these are the stocks that are stay-at-home that have been really killing it. Obviously today we had a big problem with oil, but it didn't matter to Shop. Shop created an all-time high, ripped through it, and maintained a slow pace at the end of the day, but still finished on a high note at around $40 for the day, 6.6%. And that's why I traded Shop, and that's how I made $11,400 today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. If you guys want more vlogs, let me know. And any more information about me, you can check the description down below. I have an Instagram. I post my trades every single day, red or green, and my entries, and then I explain why. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you guys. Peace.